today we will learn how we can make a sticky header and change the colors of the header while we scroll down. So some of the examples for those type of headers are, one of it's this website. So as you can see, when you scroll down, it changes the color and it's also sticky on the header. So we will learn that how to do that via Elementor. Here's another website where you can see it changes the color when you scroll down, and it's also a sticky header. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so first we will create a header. That's the website where I'm gonna show you how you can do that. First we will create a header by going to theme builder in template section. Okay, I'm gonna click add new header. Let's name it header, create template. We can take anyone from this example. Let's take this one, for example. Okay, we have our header here, which is also sticky, already sticky, and the sticky options are right here. As you can see, it's mentioned that sticky on the top. So we are following this blog, which I'm gonna add the link in the description so you can see how we are doing. Create a header. We already did that step. We have a color on the background already for our header, so it's not applicable in our case. Now we will publish the header. Let's publish it. We're gonna show it on the entire website. Okay, now our header is live. Now let's hit refresh. So our header is live. Now we will change its color while we scroll down, and to do that we have to add some content on the home page so we can scroll down actually. So let's add something on our home page. Okay, here's our home page. Elementor. For now, we'll just add section with a black background so we can see how our header will look. Let's add a black color. Height should be like 700. You can make it 900. Update. Okay, now what's next? We already added the publish, negative margin. I guess it's already updated. So if we go to the header, let's go to the header now. So our home page is not set as a front page. That we're gonna do also. Select home page as a front page. Here's the home page showing up. Okay, so how are we gonna change the header color while we are scrolling? Now, the first step is to set effect offset value. So it means that if someone scroll down to 300 pixel, then the effect will be visible. We can set to any value which we like. I mean, it depends on your website layout. You want to set it to 400 pixel or 300 pixel, whatever suits your website. So let's set the, okay, so bottom margin is already there. That's why our header is up there. Okay. Effects offset, let's set it to 300 pixel. And let's go back to the blog. For this one, we will be adding some custom CSS. Let's copy that, add it on advanced section. So it says that when someone scroll down to 300 pixel, Elementor's sticky effect will be activated and the background color will be changed to black. Let's see if it's working. Update. Okay, I guess we have to add important. Sure. Maybe it's not working because of the gradient we have up here. Let's set it to let's see what happens now. Okay, maybe we'll have to add more height to our page because we might not be able to scroll down till 300 pixels. Okay, it's working now. Now you can see while we scroll down, it changes the color. Good. We are good till this step. Now we're gonna move further. Now, while we scroll down, we're gonna add some styling. So when we scroll down, it will reduce the height of the header as well as the logo. So for that, we will be using some more CSS. Okay. So add logo class to this one. Class, we will add the CSS. So when someone scroll down, the logo width will be reduced by 50%. So let's try it out. Custom CSS, update, and hit refresh. Okay, now as you can see, when we scroll down to 300 pixel, it's reducing the width of the logo. So it kind of like looks shrunk, but it's a bit ugly because it doesn't have any animation or any transition effect. So on the next step, we will be adding some transition effects. Okay, so let's add transition effects to both to the background change and to the logo. Now let's add the CSS here. We'll have to remove this one because we are already using it here. So we just need to copy and paste it here. Update. Refresh. Now when we scroll down, you can see it's kind of like smooth when you scroll down and scroll up. We can change the animation timing by changing the code here. Let's make it 2 second, which will be a bit smoother, and 2 second update. I'll hit refresh. And now, as you can see, it's more like smoother. Okay, we are good with our tutorial. If you like this video, please hit like, subscribe to this channel, or share my video. Thank you. Bye.